Good morning, Year 1, and welcome to our third day of maths lessons. Today we're going to be building on using tens and oneness equipment to count volumes and to solve picture problems involving working out exactly how many there are of something. So, when you're ready, we'll get started. Okay, so like yesterday, there are two starters. First starter we'll be playing in class is the exchange up game, and if you want to play that, go back and look at Monday's lesson for that. But once you're ready, move on because we've got a second challenge today, which is something you can do at home. Okay, so just like yesterday, I want you to have a go at working out exactly how many of these base 10 equipment represent as a number. So when you're ready, start the video again and I'll go through the answers. Okay, welcome back. So our first one is, let's count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. Hopefully you got that. Next one, we start with a 10 bar. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 1 10 bar, 1 and 5 ones. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So 2 10 bars, which is the 20, and 8 ones. And again, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 2 10 bars, 20, and 7. Next one, 1, which is a 10, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 1 10 bar, 9 ones. Next one, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 1 10 bar and 7 ones. This one's a bit tricky. 10, 20, 30. So there are 3 10 bars, but that would actually be 3, wouldn't it? So you need to show that there are no ones. Okay, and the last one, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So 3 10s, 5 units, or 35. Brilliant work, Year 1. Okay, now we're going to go on to the main part of today's learning. Okay, how many chocolates are there altogether there? Have a go at counting them. Pause the video, and when you're ready, start again. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's a box of 10. So we know now that that's 1 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I bet you guessed that was 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So is there a quicker way of finding the answer 24? Well, let's have a look at the next sheet because that shows what we're going to be doing today. So we know there's 24. We know there are 2 10s, which is the big 10 boxes here. And we know there are 4 1s. So we've got 2 10s and 4 1s, and they stand all together for 24. Sorry, not 25. 24. So how many 10s are there? There's 2. And how many 1s are there? There's 4. But we want to take this a step further. So we want to show how we represent that using the 10 bars. So we've got 1 10, another 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. Now we can move them down out of the way to show them, and we've got 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, just like in our starter. Okay, so that's all the different ways we can represent this. Okay, so now this time we're going to have a look at rocks. So what we're going to do first is we're going to box up the rocks. So let's get groups of 10. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got a 10 there. Now they look a bit different, so we will check again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, there's still 10. They still go to the same spot. And then we've got 1, 2, 3. So, using base 10, we're going to move one there, another one there, and then the ones there. Now, you can leave them there, and we say we've got 2 10s, and we've got 3 units. But if you wanted to, and I would probably do this, I would move your base 10 here. Now, obviously, grown-ups, if you haven't got base 10, this step here, that looks like a 10 bar, doesn't it? That looks like a 10 bar. And then if you wanted to, you could box these up 1, 2, 3 to look like ones. Okay? And either way, we've got a total of 2 10s and 3 units, which looks like that and that. And the value of this number here is 23. And that is essentially what you're going to be doing today. So there are 2 different levels of challenge, and here they are. So this is a simpler task, and this is the more challenging task with some variation at the bottom. So it's up to you which ones you do, and once you've done that, you can have a go again at the end with the same task as we did yesterday, using 10s and 1s to represent different numbers. Okay? So I'm going to leave you with this, and if you want to, go on to the plenary where I'm going to make a number as an example just to show you what to do. Okay, welcome back. So your first number I want you to write the value of is this. Okay, what's the value? Brilliant, that is 23. And grown-ups, if you have 10s and 1s, or if you have access to the app that I showed you on Monday, you could have a go at doing more of these. Okay, and that is the end of today's maths lesson.